Hey guys, I got a new video. It's called Slime Pet Peeves. Slime Pet Peeves. On every Thursday, I'm gonna be making a Slime Pet Peeve video. Make sure to remind me in the comments so I don't have easy forgetting. Anyways, I'm about to do the Slime Pet Peeves. I don't have a stand, so. Hi. Okay, about to do the Slime Pet Peeves.
It is 4:13, time for a look at the commute on this Thursday afternoon. This is a live look at the FDR by 38th Street, and traffic is moving, so it's good there. As for the Hudson River crossings, we're looking at 50-minute delays at the outbound Lincoln Tunnel, with about 40 minutes.
Slime Pet Peeve 2. When all the straws fall out.
Police on Long Island said they have now caught known members of the MS-13 gang trying to kidnap a teenage boy. Suffolk County detectives say 3 known gang members and 2 associates were arrested while trying to abduct the 16-year-old in Brentwood yesterday. The 5 suspects, 4 of whom are Brentwood High School students, are now being charged with conspiracy.
Okay, the next Slime Pet Peeve is that. The next Slime Pet Peeve is when you know something is gonna happen and it does.
The rest of his life in federal prison. The judge has sentenced Nassar to 60 years in prison on child pornography charges, declaring him a threat to minors, saying, quote, "He should never again have access to children." Thousands of illegal pornographic images have been found by FBI agents on an external hard drive. And more than 100
if my brother just walks in, don't mind him. He's just talking for no reason.
We have to be a culture that does not tolerate abuse.
No reason.
Nor the people who enable abusers,
Anyways,
regardless of circumstance.
When the next slime pet peeve is when they poke it weirdly.
In our world today.
This is just one of 3 criminal cases against the former physician. Nassar's next sentencing will be next month.
The next Slime Pet Peeve is when he stretches it when it breaks apart.
One of them burning through 96,000 acres, about the size of Denver. Now, that same fire at one point spread over 31,000 acres in the span of about 9 hours. At that rate, it could have consumed Central Park, for example, in about 15 minutes.
Next Slime Pet Peeve is when you act like it's brother slime, but it's not.